Welcome to the Neuro Leadership Conference. Today we have a very interesting lineup of speakers for you. You'll be learning 4 key topics. The first one will be on neuroscience and decision making. The second one will be the linking of EQ with neuro leadership in terms of leadership and managing your stress. And thirdly will be on NLP, neuro-linguistic programming. And after tea break, we will be going into a very interesting panel discussion where we will be bringing in the concept of DEI, diversity and inclusion, and linking it with neuro leadership.
Good morning, and I look forward to spending some time with you talking about a topic which I think all of us should be interested in. The world of neuroscience. There's just so much fascinating research on this. I will cover it later. So the person collecting all the sheets of paper, please see how your brain works. The research tells us the number 1 and 2 most important skill is analytical and creative thinking. Your entire life is determined by what you think, because what you think will determine what you choose. What you choose will determine what you act. Of the exercise?
1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4. So with that, I hope that you pick something up, understanding what neuroscience is all about, and some interesting insight, and where neuroscience can actually enhance your leadership.
Welcome back, everyone. So for this coming session, we're going to have EQ, Emotional Intelligence and Leadership, by Professor Dr. Leonard Yong. In fact, we'll be enjoying 2 sessions from him. This first part is on EQ in leadership, and then you'll have your lunch about 12:15, and you'll be coming back here again about 1:30 for the next session on building resilience and stress management.
Full diagnosis is this: if you cover right eye, it moves more, you are perfectly normal adults, slightly brain damage. It's a joke, okay? Was not creative, it's just imaginary. And then using left brain, it will converge. Signs of emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence does not have a quotient. It does not measure ability to think. It measures ability to manage my own feeling, and that's called intrapersonal skill.
Second principle of life says, happiness comes to us as a byproduct.
Where's the answer? In our hands. Yes, I'm really loud. Where's the answer? In our hands. Thank you.
Please welcome Safura.
We're going to start with our right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, guys, here we go. 1, 2, 3. For this introduction, take care of the children while I'm doing that, because it was at night. And to me, it was a breakthrough because there was tools. It made me feel, better, be able to look at life differently, and help me help others. As leaders, as people, as a trainer. Don't mix your cards. Hold on to the back of the class. Sit down. Sit down. Go ahead and sit down. It's good. And you Okay, for a moment, take a deep breath. Feel you're being that superhero. 1, 2, 3.
New panel speakers here. Seated over there is Karen Lai, the world of advocating women's growth.
Organization I work for is a women's NGO that was established in 1985. We've done a
is something that we need to imbue. Asking ourselves the hard questions, what makes who we are today? There's no such thing as an ideal person.
Okay.
Nobody will be perfect. Striving for perfection sometimes would be something that would, burn us back. So it's about knowing what is your gap and working on what matters most.
And learn about eustress and distress. When you have a mismatch, if the leader is eustress and the team is distressed, how do you connect and convert the team to become eustress?
Members are distressed. They need help. The leader can help.
How do we actually pass this down to them? Because maybe last time they don't face certain things like what we have today.
Then when they don't know what it's all about. So